Hello everyone, welcome back to Grub Grub channel. Today we are going to make a one-pot breakfast brunch dish that is loaded with carbs, proteins and lots of yumminess. Everything a breakfast needs. So let's get started. First, heat a skillet or a large pan. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add in 4 chicken sausages chopped into small cubes. Fry for 3 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. Fry for 4 more minutes. Sausages do not take very long to cook, so by a total of 7 minutes the sausages would be 90% cooked. We are going to cook them further later, so we do not want it 100% cooked. After 4 minutes, take out the fried sausages onto a plate and keep them aside. In the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of butter. Once melted, add 6 cloves of finely chopped garlic and 4 small chilies finely chopped. Fry them for a minute. Add 1 small onion finely chopped. Fry them till the onions are very lightly brown. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add 2 medium potatoes chopped into tiny cubes. Mix it around well. After chopping the potatoes, I have washed them in cold water and drained well so the potato is not too starchy. After about a minute, press down the potatoes with your ladle. Cook for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. This is to give some crunch to the potatoes. After 2 minutes, turn the potatoes, mix and press them down again and cook for another 2 minutes on medium-high heat. After 2 minutes, mix the potatoes. You have some slightly browned potatoes here which adds a great flavor. Next, add 1 small each of red, yellow and green bell peppers chopped finely. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat. I just love the smell of bell peppers frying and I love it when they have a slight crunch. So we do not want them to cook them for too long. Add half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and some salt. Mix well and cook for a minute. You can replace cayenne pepper with red chili powder. I use cayenne pepper here as it goes really well with paprika. Add the fried chicken sausages and mix it well. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get updates on more such recipes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. I'm adding this almost at the end because we want it to retain its fresh herb flavor and smell. Add 1 teaspoon fresh coriander and mix well. Finally, it's time to add our eggs. For that, take a cup and make pockets in the potato mixture to place the eggs in. Keep the heat to low and add 4 eggs one by one into the pockets. Sprinkle some red chili powder and salt on the eggs. This is optional, but it does add that extra flavor to the eggs. Cover the pan and cook for 6 to 8 minutes on low heat. I like the eggs a bit gooey. If you like it fully cooked, then cook for 10 minutes on low heat. You can just touch the eggs and know how cooked they are. And that's it. Your breakfast brunch is ready to eat. I love it when the yolk flows out like that and mixes with the potatoes and sausages. But if you are like my husband and like them fully cooked, go ahead and cook them that way. It's your eggs, your breakfast. Have them however you like it. It all tastes good. What I do is I just take my eggs and potatoes onto a plate and then cook the rest further so eggs are fully cooked for my husband. This is pretty filling and delicious by itself, but it also tastes great with bread. Hope this breakfast brightens up your weekend. If it did, or you think it would, do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for being with us. See you all next time.